The average washing machine used to last almost 20 years. Today, you are lucky to get 10, and the cheap ones need service calls before the 5th year. If you are about to spend $600 on a new washer this weekend, or you just bought one in the last year, you could be staring down a $400 to $900 repair bill that nobody warned you about. Appliance repair technicians have been screaming about this for years, but the brands selling these machines would rather you just buy another one. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what manufacturers changed inside your washer to make it fail faster, the 3 brands that repairmen say to avoid, and the one buying rule that can save you thousands over the next decade. Back in the 1970s, washing machines were built to survive. According to appliance technicians who track this stuff, machines from that era lasted 30 to 50 years. Your grandparents bought 1 washer, maybe 2, in their entire adult lives. The parts were simple, mechanical, and fixable. Then, starting in the late 1990s and accelerating through the 2000s, everything changed. Manufacturing moved overseas, private equity rolled up appliance brands, and the race to hit lower price points gutted the internals. Here is what actually happened inside the machine. First, the drum. Older washers had split tubs with replaceable bearings. You could swap them out for $50 and get another decade. Now, most major brands use sealed drum assemblies. The bearings are permanently molded into the outer tub. When they fail, and they will, you cannot just replace the bearing. You have to replace the entire drum unit. That repair runs $400 to $900. Most people look at that number and just buy a new machine, which is exactly the point. Second, the outer tub material. Manufacturers quietly replaced stainless steel with plastic on the hidden outer tub you cannot even see. It is lighter, it is cheaper, and it cracks. Third, replacement parts. Many manufacturers discontinue parts just 3 to 5 years after a model launches. So even if you want to fix your machine, you literally cannot find the parts. A study out of Norway tracked appliance lifespans over decades and found washing machine lifetimes dropped 45%, from 19.2 years down to just 10.6 years. No other mere appliance category came close to that decline. Let's talk specific brands, starting with Samsung. In 2016, Samsung recalled 2.8 million top-load washing machines after hundreds of reports that the machine tops were literally detaching from the chassis mid-cycle. 9 injuries were reported, including a broken jaw. One woman in Texas said her machine exploded with enough force to crack her garage wall. Samsung later settled a class action lawsuit over the defect. Beyond the recall, repair professionals consistently flag Samsung as one of the least reliable brands. Replacement parts are hard to find, and many independent repair shops simply refuse to service them. If something breaks outside of warranty, you are often stuck. Next, Whirlpool and its sub-brand Maytag. These used to be the gold standard. Your mom probably had a Maytag that ran for 15 or 20 years, with no problem. But today, repair data from Miele Appliance shows the price to feature ratio has fallen off. The name is the same. The machine inside isn't. Then there's the budget tier, brands like Hotpoint and Amana. These are priced low, and they perform like it. Common complaints include poor cleaning, faulty sensors, and needing service within the first year. If you're paying $400 for a washer that needs a $200 repair in year 1, you haven't saved anything. And here's the pattern that ties them all together. Nearly every major manufacturer now uses sealed drum designs across at least part of their lineup. The bearing fails, the repair quote comes back at nearly half the cost of a new machine, and you're pushed right back to the store. Quick question before I show you the brands that are actually worth buying. Drop a comment right now. How long did your last washing machine last? I want to see if the data matches the real-world experience. I am betting most of you will say somewhere between 5 and 8 years. So if these brands cannot be trusted, what can you actually buy? Here are the 3 brands that appliance repair professionals actually recommend, and why. Number 3, LG. I know it is a big brand and you might be skeptical, but here's the thing. LG uses a direct drive motor that connects straight to the drum, which reduces vibration and wear. They back it with a 10-year motor warranty. Consumer Reports rated them the most reliable front-load brand for 2025, and Yale Appliances real-world service data puts their service rate at just 2.7%. That is the lowest of any major brand they track. Number 2 is Miele. This is the premium pick. Miele is a German manufacturer that tests every machine for 10,000 hours, which is the equivalent of 20 years of regular home use. They make spare parts available for at least 15 years after a model launches. The catch is price. You're looking at $1,600 to $2,500, but people who buy Miele tend to keep them for decades. And number 1, the brand that repair professionals trust the most is Speed Queen. Speed Queen makes the machines you have been using at laundromats your whole life. Their residential models are built on the same commercial-grade platform. They test every unit for over 10,400 cycles, equivalent to 25 years of home use. The TR7 model comes with a 7-year full warranty, the best in the industry. They are made in Ripon, Wisconsin, with stainless steel tubs and simple, fixable designs. They start around $1,000 and top out around $1,500 for the flagship model. More upfront, yes, but the math over 25 years makes every other brand look expensive. Here's the rule of thumb repair technicians use, and I want you to remember this one line. Check the warranty. Check the drum. If a washer comes with only a 1-year warranty, the manufacturer is telling you they do not expect it to last. If it has a sealed drum, meaning the bearings cannot be replaced independently, you are buying a machine with a built-in expiration date. And here is what smart buyers are doing. They are buying commercial-grade machines for residential use. Speed Queen, Miele, and to some extent LG with their direct drive system are machines designed for the long haul. Spending $1,200 once beats spending $600 3 times. The bottom line, your washing machine was designed to fail, and the replacement is designed to fail too. The only way out is to buy from brands that still build for durability over disposability. Check the warranty. Check the drum. That is it. If this saved you from making an expensive mistake, subscribe, because next week I'm covering refrigerators, and they have the same problem: sealed compressors you cannot fix. That one is even worse.